Hello my friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm an art teacher and my name is Sopan. I hope very well when you want to watch my video. In this video, we learn together how we can drawing Disney character. And in this video, we try to drawing two characters from Zootopia animation. I don't know exactly about the animation or no, but this playlist very good for everybody because somebody want to drawing for kids, for friends, and it's very easy and nothing. Just this. Before we begin, start the video. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the ring. And thank you for supporting me. Let's start it. Before I started the drawing, I want to show you my another drawing character in my notebook. So a sketchbook, a sketchbook, and many sketches from another character Disney, and this is the last. And for today I want to drawing a Zootopia character, and first one I draw one circle for rabbit head and one circle for another character. And now we need to horizontal and vertical line for portrait. It's so easy until now, and in this way we can draw another circle, and it's there too, and exactly like this size, a little bigger. Draw is there and there, and under of this circle I draw another circle. For now we have 4 circles, and is there exactly like this. Did you see? Very easy. I try first time just a style, and suddenly use my pressure of my hand, and is there, it's okay. And now we can started to detail. Is there, I try to change the form for her eyes. It's very easy and very simple. Is there, and this is eyebrow, and another eyes is there, and she want to see him, and is there, we have another eyebrow. When you want to drawing the nose exactly inside the circle, use for detail like this. And I think a little these eyes need to bigger than before. It's okay. And is there 2 line for mouth. It's okay. And for now, we need to draw shape of head. Shape of head exactly is there a little. It's in corner of them. It's a little bigger, and exactly is there a little. Need to change the circle. You know, this is circle is there like this, and suddenly a little high. Did you see? Very easy, very easy. And now the time for a start his head. And I have one failed things is there, because this year a lot of a little wide, you know, need to closer eyes to here, for example, is there is better, and better than clean it with eraser. You can use another eraser, not different. This is simple eraser and I use it. And now first time I will show to you what we can drawing the eyes. Left eyes like this, and right eyes like this. It's easy and simple for now. And after drawing the eyebrow and another eyebrow, inside of there drawing the eyes and circle under this here. And for now, for nose, I using like a wavy style, you know, it's wavy. And is there I drawing this shape. This shape show to nose style. For animal like this, for dogs, for cats, for many animals, we use this shape for the nose. And after connecting this line and this line for show the mouth and a little smiling, you know. In a character into the Zootopia, every time he's smiling and joking style. And after I draw the shape of head, and now time for drawing ears. Right ear and left ear. It's very important the size of the ears and the shape too, exactly the same, because it's a little different. The shape it's false, you know, and you can't draw good for character. And in his head the hand of rabbit is there. I forget the name of the police officer. I think, oh yes, Judy Hopps. Judy Hopps, for the hands of Judy Hopps is there, and this here I draw the ears. She has a big ears because she's a rabbit. And after I complete the shape, it's ending very easy. And for now, using the rapid for show outline. Is there. Need to a little more pressure off my hand, and is there. I show the eyebrow, and when you use the rapid, it's very important show a special line, because for example this line, it's not important for us, and not need to use rapid for this here. Just outline, for show the outline. Is very good. And you can use another color, for example gray, brown, and another color, not important, even blue, red, every color. But I think it's better to use black, because black it's very good for drawing. And in another my videos in my YouTube channel, we try together to drawing like architects, portrait, and many things. So I'm really happy when you subscribe me, and together we learn more than before. Is here we have ear of fox. And the fox a little wavy, a little wool style, and we can show the wool like this, not the only the line, wool style. And after I try to complete that style for the rabbit, and a little line is there, a sketching style, Did you see that? Understand? And after I think yes, the Sheriff Judy Hobbs is ending. And for now, the time for fox. The fox has a little special style. A special style means like poker face, his face, a little poker style, and just a little smiling. And the eyes show it very well. And when you draw the eyes is good, his face is ending, and only the eyes very important in his face. And after I draw it is there again, and is there. For now we have a very good style and nose. I really love the smile of him. Step by step we are very close to ending the drawing. Did you see that? It's very easy, and I think you can drawing maybe better than me. Just need a practice. If you have practice, you can do everything. Everything is very easy after practice. At the end, we are drawing the fingers of hair. This, and this is two. And this couple is very fun. And very cool together. I hope to see the animation, because the animation is very cool and very fun. I love the watch the animation. This is my hobby, and I'm very happy when you are see your comments in my videos. And for now it's ending. Just need to a little sketch it there for better shadow. Is here, a little is there. Hatching is there, and hatching is there too. Some artists use every time use the hatching. The hatch style is very cool, but I don't like too much, because sometimes it's bad work. For this character is good. For this character is normal, but sometimes it's another character better than use a fade style. Fade style means, for example, like this. This is fade style, you know, and this is hatch style. Hatching, a little hatching is there. And you can use another style for shadow. For example, like a chain. Chain. Shadow chain. And a little shadow is there and is there. And it's ending. Just need to a little dot is there, a little shadow is there. No, it's ending. And I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. So it's very cool, very cool drawing, and I hope you like it. And to the next videos I try to drawing another character and another painting, and I'm feeling very happy when you subscribe my YouTube channel, because it's only supporting for me, and you can drawing many things. Thank you for helping me, and have a good time. See you. Bye.